Now we have successfully accessed our newly generated instance. But we are using EC2-user default user for AWS. Instead of that, we have to log into the root user, which is the administrator account who have all the privileges to perform any action on our virtual machine. So how you can enable that root user? So let's get started. Previously, we have configured our terminus session. So on terminus, currently I am logged in as a EC2-user. So I will clear the screen by using clear command or control L. Then I need to modify some configuration file. So what I will do, I will use command like sudo. So sudo will give administrator access or root privileges to run any command. That's why I'm using sudo here, because I'm not currently logged in as a root. That's why I'm using sudo here. If I was in a root user, then there is no need to use sudo. They use vi. Vi is a text editor. Like you uses notepad in Windows, like that vi is text editor in Linux. There are multiple other options like vim, vi, gedit or nano and so on. Thereafter provide the configuration file path. So we need to edit the ssh configuration file. So the path for that file is /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Okay, hit the enter button. Now search for the authentication section. Okay, so here is the authentication section. Now here you can see that the permit root login is currently commented. Okay, so root login is not enabled on this system. That's why we are not able to access root user on our EC2 instance. So to enable this, what I will do, I will just remove this comment by removing this hash. If I try to type anything on VI editor, I won't be able to type because I'm not in the insert mode. So to enable the insert mode, what I will do, I will use I command or I button on my laptop. So after entering I, you can see I'm currently entered in a insert mode. Then remove the hash parameter, and instead of prohibit password, I will just make it a yes. We have now enabled the root login, but we don't have set up any password. We are currently using a key to access our machine, but instead of key, I need to use password. So for that, what I can do, I can just go down below and try to enable the password authentication. Here you can see password authentication is currently in a comment state. So what I will do, I will just remove a comment from this, and to save the changes, I will use escape. After entering the escape, you can see the insert option below is vanished. Now use colon, then W to write or save the changes, and Q to quit from this file, and hit the enter button. I have successfully made the changes. Now after making the changes, I need to restart the SSH service. So SSH service is responsible to manage SSH sessions on this system. So I will use command like systemctl restart SSHD. Okay, currently it is asking me password for the root user, but I didn't set up any password here. So what I will do, I will simply use Control C to exit from this. First of all, I need to set up a password for my root user. So for that, I can use command like sudo. Sudo will run any command as a root user. Then to set up a password, you can use command like passwd to change the password, and thereafter username. So for which user we are going to set a password, it is a root. Hit the enter button. Now set up any password, like I will just set up here. Okay, I have successfully set up a password for my root user. Now I will again try to restart the service. Enter the password for the user. You can see authentication completed. Means I have successfully restarted the SSHD service. You can check the status of this service by using command called systemctl status SSHD. You can see the service is currently active and running state, and from which it is in active state, I can get a timestamp, and 12 seconds ago it was restarted. Done. I will use Ctrl L to clear the screen. Now let's try to log into the root user by using su-root. I will provide the root user password. Now you can see the username from EC2-user is changed to root. I can verify again by using whoami command, and you can see I'm currently in a root user. So this is how you can easily enable root user on your EC2 instance.